kane kadok kha bangi su sang tarkhong kine ki jhur im udo salanai baset umlung ka chutney badung badu cayur ka jajeu baset ketung kalung baset bat ka dok snyang ka shriu kadok khle udo salanai basdi tarkhong ki jhur khle ujatira badu so sau unai li bat papaya ngi khle mensit sarwa bat kadok snyang ba ngi su sang tarkhong
kumkoi ne jing angnot ban pene pensa ye jingbam tynrai kirukom shet tynrai babon ne ki pai ba kim ju kham yo ban bam shu hakini ke juk menta ka kong platina mujai ka wei ne ke long kemi na ka shnong Khweng riboy district ka buju e ba sngotanat ban pene pensa ye jingbam tynrai menta ka sngi ka lapli pai ba sandon ya ka wei ke dukan ka beshet tangi ke jingbam tynrai na du ki jhur ki jem ke ba klem da panon kam dawai balaje kerteng kum ka Mei Ramew Cafe Kate ka Mei Ramew Cafe ka deru shibenta ka thong jong ka North East Slow Food Society ban kintiu bat Pynpaw porthai ye ki jingbam tynrai khamtam jong ka riboy district ka bade ka wei ne ka district ha ka jila ka jupan mi ye ki jingbam ke ba khampher bat khambang Nadu ki jingbam bashet ha ki tendong si rengkat ka jingarap lang ru ka Megalia H Limited ha ka baide ban kintiu ya kate ka dukan ban penbit penbiang bat ban khring ye kinong wan bam Yakate ka Mei Ramew Cafe lalai ban play pa iba da uba crowdboard lang wa lang balwan ban mi khmat na ka nesfas ubadiru u in charge jong ka Powerman Monitoring and Innovation Committee ha ka jinga don lang ka kong platina mujai ka bari ka try jong ka te ka dukan u Reverend Jomke Angu ubala kerku kerdo ya ka te ka dukan kinong elam shnong bat kiwi ki riurang ba na ka te ka shnong
kine ki jhur bangi yo na shnong jongi hi unde bangi thit na yau ki bangi rep mangi sane hi ma yo nak per jongi ki bangi phak khet ha ki para shnong sane shnong ki wan bu be ha kane dukan ni me
amla klem da aingu yo bulai ma yal ma ka jing alam lenti jong bulai ha ka jing ya lenti jong ai ka sap ka bangadon te bat ha ka banung kong ka baar pat dengan itu ya ka kerteng jonga dei kong plantina mujai masyong masa ha ka shnong Khweng te nadu bang sedang ban don la ka jong ka ying ka sem ada ibri basong tenat ban tray number ta kan ke set ka tiu nadu usnem khandai puar te sedang ban set ya i ngasiat dukan sa te empat lai surok ngalek set sa ite gilum badan setei bapiwan ya lenti nang tei te nang ta pade hat ndal lai surok ngapoi ni hatrai snong bangi ong kate kalat trai snong te na ka banta ka bangale kumni ka set ka tiu te ngaya kandu ha usnem ar hajar khat area ka nesfas te nalor ka sap ka bangadon ka bangalale ya ka jingbam tynrai ya kandu sa ka nesfas kalong kumba ai jingmut bat pen scam ya ka ta ka sap ka bangadon set kini ki jing set tynrai wala kamlong ka ba don de ki phnyang ki ba khleng ki ba kamno andre kar kom set kalong ka ba phala tang ba ki jingbam pat de ki long ki pangat bat ki babang bat ki babha tem dei tang manga ni po sinong ki don gireu temen ki ba ya kersan lang na benta gini ki jingbam ki bangi ha ka de sinong jungi ngi set ya teu kumta ki do ki jhur ki bangi yo na ki khap ki jhur ki bangi yo na ki khlau ngi set ya teu ha ki yeng ki sem ki jongi te bat kidon ginong ki ba im tang ya ka ban khet ya ki jhur kum ha ki ne ki singi ki ba mentale ni ngangadon ginong ngi arteli ki dukan ne ngi don ginong khet jhur kinong khet sla kinong pom tendong kinong tongdo ngi la ai kerteng ki se office te gitar ki la yo bala na ki dukan jongi te ngang so komen sibon ba ha ki ne ki singi menta hadu menta ka singi ka long ka singi ka jingjob ya ka kam ka bangatrai kumba ipa jonga ila hikai ba di og ya ka ki kam ki ba pitrai kon ki de ban e ya ka kam jong phi khnang ba ka kam ru kan e ye phi te nga kan tu ha paro ki khon ki ti ki badon ha ki sinong ki thau la de ha ki no ki jaka kanu ka kam ka bagi trai ki de ban e ya la ka jong ka kam khnang ba ka tu ka kam ka bagi trai kan e ye phi te ngaru ngaso kumta Bakata ke jingkren jong giru temen kabanga bat kabanga tip menta bakalong sisa komta hi te haduk menta kaladap ship house lem banga set te kini gijing set jonga banga set tang shnong thau ngalek hababun kieu hakababun ki shnong ki thau ki khot ki tip men hakaniru ngilek sate sapo orchid ro kide de gijing bam bapla te kala ai men sim bahayanga namar ba kilong ki bayat ki festival jong ke India ngalek set mah kai yeu ka yat bhangim la raban pendap ndalawan nang tai padeng yang ngalek sit central dei jong election jong ka commission sit central nyewan menen kemit hi ngesa setei te gini kijing bam jongi gilong ki bagi breu ki kwa ban mat ban bam tang hadukan andre ki khot yang abangan lek ban set ban tiu tang ba mentah gini gisi ki bamta ngasngau ba ngala kham thaj kham telat atat bagi breu ki ladon kam yang abangan don hapo jong ka ying bat kedukan jong ki wan man kasngi
lok yai
training hapo sinong mo ya ki khana namar ka office ka ong yang bangin ai training ban pan itu ya ki jhur ki bayo na lom na khlau bat bar hikai ban set ru ya ki don ki subuh kumni kumba ka office kala hikai mo subuh kumni haka sikilo jong usop pro mo subuh te ngin ai ka kambakat no te usop pro tu dei badon ka te hangi ai kumba si pelasteng kumta lande bantun kamelu si samoy dunam to lai pawa samoy iktung tap ki tynrai ki sak mungkin kumta andala thanam gitu la gitu ki jingber jongi barok khoj kadai ban thep sagi jhur set si set pat kam tu hadu bakan dai bham dai ban si set malum mala ya ki jhur ki do ma dai ban set bha hadu bakan da ibang ibet bha te hangta kala don kata ke jingmat bha phibam ya ki jat jhur kham tam ya ki do dai ban set bha ma ki lai kai ngi ban set bha te haswa bangin set ru ya lede ngi don kam ban ke jing khoj ha ka jaka set jongi kadai ban long ka bakhoj ki khiu ki siang ki plyang ki bangi pandon kam ki tari nadu ki tari ki dei ban long ki bakhoj yala dei ban long ki bakhoj ban ot bha ki tersim ban sat ka kli ban sop ban spany mo ba kanam don ka ba subu yo her kisnyu ta kang ba ong ngima dei ban sop ban spany ban pek bha.
Hello, my name is Ayhun Lang Maulong, and I'm the last daughter-in-law, the youngest daughter-in-law in this family.
Melang Mujai, I'm the daughter of this owner. Means Mother Earth.
Mother Earth.
It's a Mother Earth, yes.
So can you tell us the basic, what is the logic of that Mei Ramew?
Yeah, the logic is that all the food here it's local, and not exactly local means from this village itself. We don't buy from other village, and we never get those green vegetables also from Shillong. We got it wild. It's a wild one from this village itself. So all the food, all the things you get from here, it's all local from this village itself. That's why it's a Mother Earth Cafe, and all the vegetables it's wild one. All of them we get it from the forest. That's why it's a Mother Earth Cafe. All the things we get it's from Mother Earth only. Yeah, we have all kind of local, like it's a tradition of this Bhoi tradition. So Bhoi also is different. You from Nongpo Bhoi, it's different, and Umroi side Bhoi, it's different. Like here, you'll get the do share made out of the umlung, and then the wang lung seed, and then the we'll get in do share also you'll get like different kind of cooking. First thing with the umlung, the second one with the bamboo with the fried one, then the third one they mix a lot, and all the things all those do share, all those yam, all those everything they made out of that cucumber, right? It's a cucumber. Yeah, they're all made in that with no oil, no onion. There are some they fried, but with no onion, no onion. So it's totally boiled, all the fresh only, the fresh food and the fresh meat we get from here. And the fish also, she have her own pond out there. You will see there. And at night time, we went and fish it free, catch it from there, and then we came here and then smoke it. Yeah. My mother-in-law, she's been cooking since the years 1870s. Even me and you were not born on that years, I think. So she she's very fond of cooking. Nobody teach her. Nobody told her to do this and do that. She just cook it by herself. She like cooking she get the vegetables. She cook it. She tried to cook with that and with this one. And then it happened it to be it came out tasty. So she kept that one in the menu. And then she's a farmer. Mainly she's a farmer. She went from the forest and get all the vegetables. She try and pluck all the the wild one vegetables. What is this? She know all the name. We don't know all. So she came home and bring all these vegetables she got from the forest, and she tried to mix it with other things, and that one came out of in her idea, like she will cook it in her stall and make it a cafe. 2012 I think. So this Nesfast came. They came and visit this village. They saw my mother-in-law cooking all this unique food. It's very unique. You'll never get it anywhere except here only. So it's a very unique one. So they tried and they came and learned. They came and see how is she doing, and then is it good to eat or not. They came and test all those vegetable, all those dish which she made, and then so it came out tasty, and it came like they are very healthy for eating also. They are very healthy because it's a fresh one. So they help her they help her train more and more. So they help her study more about the wild vegetables, and then she learned till now, and she gave training to all the Diseng Samla here in Khweng village, and then some of the students from Martin Luther, and the tourists from Brazil, from Italy, from Mexico. They came because why they saw, because this Nesfast helped her advertise all this food. No, so the thing is that she's been cooking since 90s, but nobody knew is that we don't have network. We don't have network out here in this village. So we got so the Nesfast saw, and they gave us a network tower last year. So after we got the network, so they advertise it publicly. They publicly advertise it. So now the people know. They came and taste all the food, and some of the many not some many of the peoples, like, they like our food because why it's a very unique one. It's an authentic one, and it's it's a very it's very rare to get. No, it's very hard to get also. And all the food we serve in a bamboo plate, and we serve, yeah, all tradition we serve. The thing is that we opened this shop is that after they saw, no, after the people saw, after the government saw that before we have a small shop. It's very small. So they saw the Meghalaya, we thanks to firstly mainly and kindly to Meghalaya Age Limited. So they gave us a scheme like officially. So now we have made this big shop, till this big cafe. So now we have invited them. We may not know they will came or not. So officially, financially, from this cafe, from now we get from Meghalaya Age Limited. Yeah, they invite us, and then they give us this and that, and then they help us build this new shop. Now we got a big shop better than the other older one. It helps a lot, like, all the before, this village people, they went to forest and got all the vegetables. They don't have place to sell. They eat it by themselves. So now we have this Mei Ramew Cafe. They came and sell to us. They now, for us also, it's very helpful because we have invited them. We may not know they will came or not. So officially, financially, from this cafe, from now we get from Meghalaya Age Limited. Yeah, they invite us, and then they give us this and that, and then they help us build this new shop. Now we got a big shop better than the other older one. It helps a lot, like, all the before, this village people, they went to forest and got all the vegetables. They don't have place to sell. They eat it by themselves. So now we have this Mei Ramew Cafe. They came and sell to us. They now, for us also, it's very helpful because why, we don't have time to go to forest and pluck all the vegetables. Now we have the locals people helping us get that vegetables, and they came and give them to us. So, and then this got share also. We don't have time to go and fetch by ourselves. So the local people help us. They fetch, and then they came and give us. So we pay them for that. So it financially helped them a little, not much, a little. We help them. Like, what should I say? Yeah, from the like we use all the tradition one. It's we don't we don't like we don't we plant trees also. We plant all the vegetables. So you will see my we reuse all the things. Like a leaf also. No, we can dump it. We can dump it and it will become soil only. Yeah, so it will not damage the mother earth. That's the first thing. And then the second one, like like this bamboo shoot. Yes, of course we cut them, but when we cut the bamboo shoot, we don't cut from the bottom.
Roots or the
Yeah, we don't cut from the roots. We just cut it from the bottom, so it will grow by itself later on. So like this leaf and the vegetables, the fruits also which we get there, we plant also and we take also. Yeah, we use also. We plant and use. We plant and use. It's a recycle kind of recycle. Yes, that's the thing. And then I think that's it.
Ning kulis buat ning ko nga di bakraw borlang walang na tre hapon aspas kakam ko nga hante kalong mga fake na kamanta kini kom team empowerment ka monitoring and evaluation but ki innovation program kibangi na kanaspas nila te kum ga man supa man chupun kan ma ne ba na kalyang jong kanaspas ni wan how digas na how ki snam arjar khatwe arjar khan ara ka digas nong te ni naka kanong rem ni jong nasfas kalong mangin pendek ban pensa kini ki belong tradisional yang i khasi nado karyam ka be ka kup kasam ka rap karyang ka bam kadi te habang ya wan man ya kran begini ki bre ni hapos nong nilap bakani kadi ke ni ki snong ka barang khan ma haka ba jinglong ya kita ki jinglong tynrai ke jong ki khamtam le haka bam kadi ban hakini ki jing ki jang kup ki jan hu ki erisel ni ta jidang ya klan ma ni tengi kani kedukaan kebangidan hangnya kedai kebal adab dan syah bangin wan bangi tynrai ngi wan hangnya bangin ya keren baki ngi pen ngi lab ba kini ki hade menga adab le evoi ka exercise ka bangi lum jing tep ki jing thong jing tep chania tynrai ki babon la kita jing thong jing tep hakani kedukaan kamdadan te ngi song ngi keren ngan baki ni kita dukan nyong ba kumnu bagi la ban sadim yang ya kini gir kombam tynrai ke jongi ke bagi yo ane jhur klau yo ane kini ki do do wa ki bagi yo ane ki penthor ke ba nang ta bat naki ki tradition ni ke ma ko ma pi ki nang bhai se le mo te kini idi kong bawan sakmat i bayang ba ong to ngan stang manga ya kamera mau cafe ki kertangi kong plantina mujai te hangdien nang ta kan ni wan ni sai ki training ba fair nakam ta ka plating nakam ta ban monoplit gini ki recipe ban penbang ki jhur ki jap iwan khat ki chef ki bana sakelengga wan na sado napo nagalan dan web chef bala pau nama chef jual wan ai training hangni steo sa begini samne te hadin nang ta kasasdang mani kani kamera mau cafe te kani ka kamera mau cafe ka bang ya dan mentah ni kadan spokesman ke jinya lenti ke jongka hadin nang ta ini kong ila nama berkilawan gini kibriu kilawan keleng ka menetang na pori khasi jentia jengi ada kilawan wat nasa di national level kum nasa Delhi nasa Mumbai nasa irkiwan nang tawat nasa abroad kidan di bawan ti la ide ban penthmai namar ba katu ka you ti request yengi ang pendesign lam tingidan architect apa office jengi tingi pendesign ye kani bakan long traditional kini la diki bambu te mentai la adap te mentak skin di bangi inaugurate ye kani
Tinalot kami kami Ramew
Thôi ki đang ngiling nang kwa ba ni kwa ba nang penslur sui gini ki kam kan namar ba nyim kwa ba long ba ki khun samla le kham tam ki yet kam yet jam ha kani ka por te kani ke dei ka ba ngi yo i bala dang nang hi ma pran kam ya ke ka ba trai nang bu nang thau la bu ngi am ha ki nu ki jaka ba mengi dan inang ma pran kam ha ya ka kamai ka ji le kan kawan ba te kani kadi ka wei ki nuksa ba kamera mau cafe kadan te ngi kwa ba sekiwe ki snong ru kidan man ha kani ar lai ngot ki bana ste ki than sora lawan man study ya kani kamera mau cafe kumno bakile kumno ke te menta kelas dang man persang te ngi kwa ba ki sajantia sa garu kalalon ka wei ka bangi ni lai ai training mangi kelas dang kelapau nam ha kata ki ong ka aman asom cafe sa po garu hills tenang ta kidan sekini kitan ribhoiru arlai teli ki belastang bande wasta kitan nong po setir kidan tengi ko aba nang spread ye kani ka kani ka beramo cafe ka ni ke mendri khasi jangi nyong ta ka metrilan society ma nidan la ke jong ke values ke ba mangi nidan hak ke por mensha ki jong ki me ki pe ki jongi ye im nya salang ringkat ba kamarian na second mau bangai song ye kran ba kini ki bri ngi pos nong kan kiong dah por babam kenyang ke jingtung ong kliak kumno kiong ni pen ni dan dah kata kebut mah kepada kisim hi kiwan ban bam ki kenyang nang ta da ki jingtung ki ba per ki ba mi na kan ke mariang ki ba sien itu ki ba be ki kenyang kem mon ra ki dawai chemical na sewe ban le kita kadai da ka jing study ke ba utrai nang bu nang thau la bu ya ki kitip ban le kata hari kini ki sang mendu skis ki namar bagi sang menyebe ya kene ke ong ka modern tradition mo kat ba yo kloi yo stat yo ki sedang men kata ti henry kani ke shnong ka ba ka dayang saki sha ba kadang penne ban pensa ya kita ki jing start tynrai ka ba kilong bu nang thau ti kini ki values ki jongi te ladangi nang pen khaji kini ki values ki ba mangi dan bagi em ringkat ba kamariang isa ringkat ba kamariang te tradik automatically kamariang ke jongi kan bha kan ne te gini ke message ke banga kwa banong habaro khai kari khasi jente jongi ngidi ban bat biang ya kata ke values ke ba mangi kum ke jai ban riu ngidan ke bangi em ya sa ngidan ringkat ba kamariang re nyem dei ban kwa ha than mo ya ke ba teng ngi le ben na wa dia kamariang ru tang na dau ke jing kwa ha kani kamariang ke bu trai nang bu nang thau la bu engi bakan biang ke bam nang ta jongi handai ladangi kwa palat ya ke ba utrai nang bu nang thau la ai tingi salia sigi kam gi bam dei tenang takadau ngi sa penjat ya kamariang